genetically. Okay. Yeah. I just put it in alcohol for like. Are you actually kami nagmatamis kami nito na, nag-shoot kami. Grabe yun, sulit yung ano eh, reaction. Grabe hindi, kasi pagka-landing, dito na kagad. Outdoor. Ang ganda dito, no? Parang fiesta yung datingan. Paano mga festivity pare? Oh, sweet. Ma'am, tingnan lang namin kung walang air. Okay, sapat to. Okay, yung air ko, no? Nakapagawa to. Ba't parang proud ka? Ang ganda ng presentation nila. Talagang humuhubo. Hindi, talagang ano. Kaya sige kita, tandaan mo lang tikman natin. Ito ang sisig.
Your pre-transfusion testing. So for the learning outcomes, we should be able to analyze the role of pre-transfusion taboo. But I would have you know, field of the transfusion medicine is syempre transfusion reactions. Okay? Now, before we start off, so your plasma, whether it's the red cell components natin, type specific tayo class. Okay? Then you check syempre kung okay siya with your patient. So you check if it would react. Kaya tayo nagko-compatibility testing. Now please do take note, wala pa ako na-encounter. Mostly yung ginagawa sa Pilipinas is still the serologic compatibility testing. Okay? We are trying mainly to prevent, especially in the field of the transfusion medicine, is syempre transfusion reactions. Okay? Now, before we start off, so ano ba muna yung laman, kumbaga, ng pre-transfusion testing? I'll have you know, from the time you receive the request, okay, up until before you release the blood, that's the one, okay? Usually in the Philippines, we don't pinpoint kung anong antibody. We just identify kung meron. Okay? Nevertheless, I think, if I'm not mistaken, to confirm it with NKTI. Okay? Kasi meron kaming ganong case scenario for a multiply transfused patient. Wala na kaming mabigay. Okay, so lahat ng units na available back then sa blood bank, mag-pull. Okay? If hindi talaga kakayanin or may special case scenario, hindi siya pwedeng tusukat at ang pwede lang is or may line siya, mga central catheter line, yung mga nakakabit plus na yun sa mga major artery. Okay? Yun yung mga may nakikita kayo sa leeg or yung kagaya kay Tris, may portakat siya. Usually,
Shucks, ang daming tao.
Kasi, bakit
ko naman sabihan ako, kasakit.
Ikaw sa iyo sa
Yung nagaganyan ako. Sabi ko na ako yung get mo. Pero, pinapitan ako. I'm also a business, I'm also part of the business. Hindi na talaga nawala yung wala ko yung mabalat ang kasi hindi kailangan direction pa ako na kaya that's why I'm making this kind of decision. It's because I know ang gusto ko dati siya best. Sa akin, may kasama. Hindi ko kaya. Ilalagay ko talaga sila sa spot.